Welcome to this special edition of Amrol Goa News. Today I have 3 questions before you. Can I become a saint in 21st century? Can I become a saint using internet, computer and social media? Third question. Is it a sin to use WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram? The explosion of social media brought a dilemma in the present youth with many questions in mind. The inevitable presence of new generation social media in life brought many changes in lifestyle, faith in God and the relations. Also extended the gap between the generations. Here comes the question. Wearing jeans and t-shirt, enjoying music, playing guitar, playing football and using computer and internet is a sin.
Only one more day. On 10th October 2020, Carlo Acutis will be lifted to be a blessed at the Basilica of Saint Francis of Assisi. The last step to sainthood. I die in peace because I have lived my life without wasting a single moment doing things that aren't pleasing to God. These are the words of Carlo Acutis. Acutis was born as the first son of Antonio Salzano and Andrea Acutis on 3rd May 1991. He received Holy Communion at the age of 7 and he was very regular in receiving communion and reciting rosary. The more Eucharist we receive, the more we will become like Jesus, he said. He felt the presence of God in every moment of his life and gave priority to God other than anything. He spread the waves of happiness and joy in the hearts of everyone whom he met through his jokes, casual visits, playing football and enjoying music. When he went out with his mother, he visited the churches and venerated the Holy Eucharist. He also distributed food to the homeless in Milan. He completed his high school in Jesuit Institute. As he was a computer expert, he had been thinking over how to use computer, internet and social media for the kingdom of God. He made a serious study about Eucharistic miracle. He prepared a virtual library about Eucharistic miracle by visiting and collecting 136 Eucharistic miracle around the globe with scientific evidences which Church officially confirmed. He exhibited it in 5 continents. He said, Holy Eucharist is the highway to heaven.
Yes, here is another saint, a computer expert, and the new generation call him the apostle of cyber world, who wear t-shirt and jeans, who enjoys music, who plays football, saint of the 21st century.
He died on 12th October 2006 by acute leukemia at the age of 15. He dedicated his severe pain and suffering for the intentions of Pope Francis and for whole Catholic Church. Saint Francis of Assisi was his favorite saint, so he asked to bury his body in Assisi. The more Eucharist we receive, the more we will become like Jesus, so that on this earth we will have a foretaste of heaven. Yes, the body and soul which received Eucharist every day is completely of God's own now. His body found uncorrupted when it was opened after 13 years on 13th April 2019. The miracle happened in November 2019 in Brazil, was examined and approved by medical experts. Therefore, he will be lifted to be a blessed on 10th October 2020. Yes, we can become a saint in 21st century also. We can become a saint using internet, computer and social media. WhatsApp and Facebook and Instagram are not fully sin. We should know the virtue and sin, right and wrong. Morality and immorality have very narrow gap between.
Holiness is not unreachable in any era. Purity is there in everyone's heart. Let us find out truth and goodness in everything.